Hey guys, welcome back. So today is my free day. I have 4 days off, so that means I'm out of breath, guys. I'm out of breath. Oh my god. But I have 4 days off, so that means I have to take my hair out. I have to do some clothing and everything. But okay, right now we are about to cook. I have some vegetables in here. I have some broccoli, one of my favorite vegetables. I have some oil here heating because I have some fish. We call it quick. Over here I have my fish baking. I hope I don't, do you guys see it? Yeah, I hope I don't burn myself. Let's bake it a little bit, and then we're going to cook it in masala or curry, how you call it. Okay, here you call it masala, so I'm going to cook it in masala because there's no better way to eat this fish than in masala to me. So guys, I'm ready. I already dressed everything. I'm rocking my natural hair today. Tomorrow I want to go and buy the Salon line hair products. I really love those hair products for natural hair. They are a little bit, yeah, expensive. I wouldn't say really expensive because you can have like a really good shampoo for like $3 or $4, but if you count it with the rating that we have, it's going to be some money. But I want to go and just search for the products because in the past I already had those products and I really like it because if you wash your hair, you can just put in the gel and everything. So I think it's time for me to start using those products again. Hi Sully. Ik breng je altijd zo in beeld, hè? Ik vind die versiering echt nice. Welcome back to my channel. I don't like this. So welcome back to the channel. So for today we're not going to do a makeup tutorial. I already upload one tutorial for you guys. I already did like a week in my life vlog for you guys, so don't forget to share my vlogs, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel because if you subscribe we can grow together. So today we're going to talk about hair. I think I told you guys or I didn't told you guys, but I have like a hairline. I don't know, I just love the hairline and what it do and what it does with your natural hair. So it's the Salon line, the products from Salon line. It's a Brazilian hairline, and I like it. I really like it. 4 products. I have a shampoo, a conditioner, a gel, or they call it gelatina. It's not a gel, it's not really a gel, they call it gelatina, but to me it's a gel. And this is like a hair mask. And if I think about the price that I paid, I think it's really good because normally for that price you can only get like 2 products, only a shampoo. So this is, like I said, it's the Salon line. This is the apple vinegar flavor. They have different flavors. They have coconut flavor. I don't know if they have avocado, right? Okay, I don't know if they have that flavor, but they have an Instagram, Salon line Brazil, so you can look everything up on their Instagram and then you will see the different flavors that they have. So this is like dehydration. So it's in Portuguese, but I'm saying saying it in English. So this is a hair mist. This is how it looks. Can you guys see it? And it smells really good. I can't wait to do my hair, because as you guys can see, my hair is dry. It's so dry. Like, I took my braids out. I didn't wash it. I still didn't wash it. I took my braids out like I think 2 days ago or 3 days ago, and I still didn't wash it, because I didn't want it to use any product. I really wanted to use the Salon line products again, because I really love the effect that it has on my hair. So this is the, like I said, this is the hair mask. So if you wash your hair with the shampoo and the conditioner, and you want like extra dehydration for your hair, you can use this one. They have different flavors, by the way, but I already used the apple vinegar once, so I'm going to use it again. I'm just gonna stick with the apple vinegar. This is the shampoo. I wish the bottles were a little bit bigger. And guys, really look at the design of the bottle. It's so cute. It just take your attention, like I'm here. So it's just so cute. And they have other flavors. Some bottles are green. It's the design of the bottle is so, I don't know, I like it. I really like it. So this is the shampoo, also in the apple vinegar scent. This is the conditioner, also apple vinegar. You can see the apple and the vinegar here. I bought this is they call it gelatina. To me it's a gel, right? To me it's a gel, but it doesn't stick in your hair. It doesn't make your hair hard. I still have to see if it like, how do you say it, if it get my hair dirty, because some gels that you use, they will get your hair dirty. So I still have to figure it out with this one, if it will get my hair dirty or not. But you can use it every day. You can use this one every day. This is how it looks like. It smells good. It's not the scent apple vinegar. It's I think it's a strawberry, or it even looks like, okay, I have to search it, because if you look at this picture, focus, okay, my camera don't want to focus. It looks like, how do you call it? It's lychee, rambutan. Over here we call it rambutan. I don't know how you call it in another country. I will see if I can find a picture of the fruit and then leave it somewhere here or somewhere here for you guys. But this is another flavor, but it smells good, so you can use this on a daily basis. And what I also bought, the store is it's called Balen Imports. The store is at the Prince Hendrikstraat. Yeah, Prince Hendrikstraat. I think that's the name of the street. Prince Hendrikstraat. And what I also bought, I bought these brownies. I have 2 packs of these brownies. And one is like $2.26. So if you use it with the ratings that we have, it's okay. But if you have like the $2, if you have it in dollar, it's a little bit cheaper. But if you put it in like our ratings, the SID is the $2.26 with the ratings that we have, and then you will get your price.